Lebanese cuisine, also known as Levantine cuisine, is a vibrant and delicious culinary tradition that is rooted in the Middle East. Lebanese cuisine has a rich history that is influenced by the cultural and geographic diversity of the region. Lebanese food is characterized by its use of fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and unique cooking techniques. Lebanese cuisine has a long and fascinating history that dates back thousands of years. The region that is now known as Lebanon was once part of the ancient Phoenician Empire, which was a seafaring culture that traded spices and other goods with neighboring civilizations. This early exposure to exotic flavors and ingredients helped to shape the Lebanese culinary tradition. Throughout history, Lebanon has been a melting pot of different cultures and ethnic groups, each of which has left its mark on the cuisine. Lebanese cuisine is heavily influenced by the Mediterranean, as well as by neighboring countries such as Turkey, Syria, and Iran. This cultural fusion has resulted in a unique and delicious cuisine that is beloved by people all over the world. One of the defining features of Lebanese cuisine is its use of fresh and healthy ingredients. Lebanese food is centered around fresh vegetables, fruits, grains, and meats. Many dishes are cooked with olive oil, which is a staple ingredient in the Mediterranean diet. Lebanese cuisine also features a wide variety of herbs and spices, which are used to add depth and complexity to the flavors of the food. One of the most popular dishes in Lebanese cuisine is tabbouleh, which is a salad made with parsley, mint, tomatoes, onions, and bulgur wheat. This dish is typically seasoned with lemon juice and olive oil, and is a refreshing and healthy way to start a meal. Another popular Lebanese dish is kibbeh, which is a type of meatball made with ground beef or lamb, bulgur wheat, onions, and spices. Kibbeh can be fried or baked, and is often served with a yogurt sauce. Hummus is another staple of Lebanese cuisine, and is a popular appetizer all over the world. Hummus is made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil, and is typically served with pita bread or vegetables. Lebanese cuisine is also known for its delicious flatbreads, which are a staple of the Lebanese diet. Manusha is a popular type of flatbread that is often served for breakfast, and is typically topped with za'atar, a blend of herbs and spices that includes thyme, oregano, and sesame seeds. Another popular Lebanese dish is shawarma, which is a type of sandwich made with thinly sliced meat, usually lamb or chicken, that has been marinated in spices and grilled on a spit. Shawarma is typically served with vegetables, tahini sauce, and pickles. Lebanese cuisine also features a wide variety of vegetarian dishes, which are a great option for those who are looking for healthy and delicious meals. Falafel is a popular vegetarian dish that is made from ground chickpeas, herbs, and spices that have been formed into balls and fried. Falafel is often served with tahini sauce and vegetables. Lebanese cuisine also features a wide variety of sweets and desserts, which are typically made with honey, nuts, and phyllo pastry. Baklava is a popular Lebanese dessert that is made with layers of phyllo pastry